In this video, I will tell you how you can get Maxed Fabric certified for free. Also, I will give you some extremely helpful resources that you can use to make sure that you pass your exam. And by the way, if you're new to the channel, my name is Aleksi and I'm a data architect and a Microsoft Data Platform MVP. And on this channel, I cover Maxed Fabric related topics. So, Microsoft is currently offering free vouchers for DP-700 and DP-600 exams, and you can get those vouchers by going to the aka.ms/fabcert/2026. This link can be also found in the description. That link will take you to the Microsoft Fabric community webpage where this offer can be found. There you can find some instructions how to get that voucher and what you must do in order to qualify to get it. Next, I will tell you how to make sure that you pass your exam so that the voucher won't go to waste. First, I want you to go to Fabric Forge that can be found at school.com/fabricforge. This is a learning community founded by me, and here we have very extensive study guides for both Maxed Fabric exams that you can access for free directly after joining the community. Link to the Fabric Forge can be also found in the video description. Next, I want to highlight my free 11-hour DP-700 course here on YouTube that teaches you everything you need to know for the DP-700 exam. Also, I have a playlist for DP-600 as well if you are taking that exam. Link to my DP-700 and DP-600 videos can be found in the description. Also, I want to tell you about CertiAce. That is a platform that offers high-quality practice questions for DP-700 and DP-600 exams. On this platform, you find around 200 practice questions for both exams. Also, this platform has a very realistic timed practice exam with case studies for both of those exams. And I'm one of the co-founders of this platform, so some of the questions you see here are actually made by me. Link to the CertiAce can be also found in the video description. Also, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified of offers like these and stay up to date with Maxed Fabric. Now, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.